Hey guys, what's poppin'? Okay, so right now, my other half asked me to come on here to do this video to try to make do the homemade slime challenge. So I tried, and she said that somebody on YouTube advised this and they lied because it did not work. I'm gonna recreate what I just did. Excuse me, I gotta get a little. Children, do not try this at home. Your parents will kick your ass for making a mess in the kitchen. Okay, so, see, this is not, it wasn't, you know. Okay, so what you need for this is some dish soap and some Vaseline. So this is what you do. First, you put about, I'm going to do the way she did it, because I don't know. Stop. Okay. You just, like, Jeopardy in your head. Stop. Okay, then you get a spoon, which just still got Vaseline all over it. See? It's stuck. Okay, then you want to take 2 spoons of Vaseline, which I'm going to have to buy another thing of Vaseline because this is a small one. So like 2 teaspoons of Vaseline, and you put it in there. See, that's still not enough, so now I'm going to have to put another one. This is good for your booty hole. If you got a long booty. Put another. That's not enough. Okay. Wow, I would actually use the whole jar. I pretty much empty this shit out. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's a good one. A big spoon. There we go. Okay. Then, now, what you want to do with this, like what my other half said, don't be a pussy, get your hands messy. Okay, so I'm going to get this off. I'm going to try this again. Alright, good. Okay, so first I was mixing it like a soup, and it kind of looked like potatoes, mashed potatoes, like orange mashed potato, and it kind of looked like a melted orange sherbet ice cream. And then she was like, "Yeah, get in there with it." So okay, so that's what I did, and then I was just like, alright, she wanted me to get messy with it, so I'll get it all, because you wanna, like you're in a nail salon, and then I said, I wonder if this is good for my nails or not. So then I'm gonna mix it really good, get in there, dig it, like you're digging. Or like you're giving somebody deep massage, tissue massage. Get in there. Move the bowl all around. Yeah. Okay. Now the end result is supposed to be slime. So, and I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. And I think you're supposed to put it in the refrigerator or like 2 hours. I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong, but the ending result was kind of like orange rice pudding. Yeah, it's this, at least my hands smell good. I mean, you can't play with it, but I mean, it's like mashed potatoes. Okay, so that's it. And then yeah, you're left with a mess. And I'm going to show you this other mess. Hold on. Oh gosh. Whew. I'm going gonna show you. That's what I say. Children, do not try this at home. Yep. Oops. I got it all over the floor. I say, your parents will kick your ass. I'm gonna show you the end result of this. There we go. Like, in the sink, and on the counter, and yeah, on the floor. Okay, so in conclusion, does this make slime? No. Now I got a mess to clean up, and it's, I don't know what time it is, I think it's like 2 or 3 in the morning, and I am making a mess, because my other half didn't want to do it. She had me do it to make the mess, so I could clean it up. Now if she was here right now, this would be everywhere. This would be a huge, much more of a mess than there is right now. So, yeah, this does not make slime. Maybe I could try to put it in the freezer or something, and, oops, see if it'll work that way. I don't know. But, okay, that's it. It ain't fucking work. This was the slime challenge, you guys. I mean, apparently, I didn't know it was a challenge, but I guess it's a slime challenge. Anyways, looks like baby puke all over my counter right now, so I gotta clean this up. So anyway, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Laters!